Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, look at all the stuff I got from CVS. Oh my God, this was an amazing deal, guys. Everything here was free. And I even have a glitch to share with you guys. So before we get into the whole deal, why don't you guys go ahead, get your inserts out, because you're going to need a couple insert coupons. You're definitely going to need your CVS app because there's a bunch of digital coupons we're going to use, and they are glitching, and we're going to get a bunch of points from Fetch, as well as some rebates from Ibotta. Now, if you haven't downloaded Ibotta or Fetch, I'm putting the link in the description box as well as in the comments. So all you have to do is click on those and go ahead and set up your account. If you're a first-time Ibotta user, you're going to get $10 when you redeem your first rebate plus the amount of your rebate. If you're a first-time Fetch user, you're going to get 2,000 points when you scan your first receipt. And what's nice about Fetch is you can scan any receipt and get points for it. You can scan a receipt from the gas station, the nail shop, anything you want. But you're going to get 2,000 points, which equals $2 for scanning your first receipt. So let's go ahead, let's jump into these deals, and let's get ready to save. So our first deal that we're going to do is going to be on the Dove body butter. Now, I got these 2 cents. You can get any 2 cents that you want. It doesn't matter. It's totally up to you. But this week, they are on sale. Buy one, get one half off. They are $10.79. So you'll pay $10.79 for the first one. And the second one, you're going to get half off, and you're going to pay $5.40. And then when you spend $15 in select Dove and Suave products, you're going to get $5 back in extra bucks. So by me getting these two, the one was $10.79, the second one was $5.40. That made me reach my $15 threshold, so I got my $5 back in extra bucks. Plus, I had two $2.50 off coupons. This is what they look like. Yes, they're expired, but if your store still takes expired coupons, as long as it's within the 14-day window, you can still use them. So I did get $5 off of that. Now, everything in here I did in one transaction. And I know you guys are used to me doing small transactions, but the reason I did one big transaction is because I had a 32% off coupon. So I wanted to use that to make my out-of-pocket much lower. And by me using that, that made this deal like absolutely free. Okay. So my 32% is not going to count on the Dove because that was on sale. When you have a percentage off coupon, you cannot use them on sale items. The percentage will not come off sale items. And be careful whenever you're using a percentage off coupon because you want to pay with either cash or gift card. You don't want to pay with extra bucks. If you pay with extra bucks and you use a percentage off coupon, it's going to lower the amount of the percentage that comes off. So you're going to lose some of your savings. Okay, the next deal that I got is an unadvertised deal, and that is on the Sally Hansen nail polish. When you spend $8 on Sally Hansen products, you're going to get $2 back in extra bucks. Now, I thought this was a good deal because I also had a $5 off 2 Sally Hansen products CRT. So I grabbed these 2 nail polishes. They were $3.99 a piece. They were not on sale. So yes, the 32% off coupon is going to apply to this. And I'm going to use the $5 off 2 CRT, and I'm going to get $2 back in extra bucks. Now, some of you guys may have a 40% off Sally Hansen CRT. If you do, you can use that on this, but the better deal for you would be to get like the Miracle Gel or the Extreme Wear. Not the Extreme Wear, the Miracle Gel, or I forget the other things, because they have Ibotta rebates attached to them too, and then you can get a higher grade nail polish for just about free. But buying these this with the 32% and the $5 off CRT and the $2 in extra bucks, these were free. Okay. So the next thing that I got were the Oral-B toothbrushes. Guys, hold on to your seat for this one, okay? So with the Oral-B toothbrushes, There is a deal this week. When you buy 2, you get $5 in extra bucks. But you can do the deal 2 times. So that's why you see I have 4. So I maxed the deal out. But also, there are Ibotta rebates that popped up for these. I don't know if they popped up I think they popped up last night or today. I'm not sure, but I took advantage of it. So when I went to the store, I was actually looking for these toothbrushes, which were $4.69. But my store sold out of those. But if your store has the $4.69 ones, you want to get those. And the reason being is because if you get 4 of those, it'll really be a huge money maker for you. So if you grab 4 of them, that'll be $18.76. And you're going to use 2 digital coupons out of your CVS app. This is where the glitch is. So you're going to use the $2 off 1 Oral-B adult toothbrush coupon, and then the $6 off 4 adult toothpaste or toothbrush coupons. So that's a total of $8 in digital coupons. Now, why is it a glitch? Because the coupons should require you to buy 5 toothbrushes, because this coupon is for 4 and this one is for 1. But it's glitching, and both of them are coming off when you buy 4. Guys, that is a tremendous glitch, which makes this a money maker for you. So you're going to pay it's going to come up to $18.76. You're going to have the $8 back from the coupons. So you're going to pay $10.76 at the register. You're going to get $10 back in extra bucks, because you're going to get $5 back twice. You get $5 back when you buy 2 toothbrushes. So that's a total of $10 back. So then that leaves you at 76 cents, right? Well, guess what? It doesn't end there, guys, because now you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and guess what? Ibotta is giving back $2 for each toothbrush. It is a maximum of 3. So that's another $6 that you're going to get back. That makes that a $5.24 moneymaker for you. Guys, you cannot beat that for some Oral-B toothbrushes, right? Unfortunately, I couldn't do it that way because, again, my store was sold out of the $4.79 ones. So I had to go a little more expensive route. So I got these, and these were $5.99. It's still a good deal because I had the 32% off. So the 32% off brings them down to $4 something, so that helped me. And I used the glitch with the $6 off coupon and the $2 off digital coupon. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back the $10 in extra bucks. So it was still a great deal for me. Then the next deal that we did were the CoverGirl. So CoverGirl has a deal this week where you buy 2 CoverGirl products, you get $5 in extra bucks, or buy 3 CoverGirl products and get get $8 in extra bucks. So of course I grabbed the cheapest items, which are these. They were $6.49 a piece. And everybody in their CVS app should have got a $3 off CoverGirl CRT. So I used that. And then I used 3 $3 CoverGirl coupons. You can either use the ones that expire on the 20th, or you can use the ones that just came out, I believe it was last week. Either way, they're $3 off. So that's a total of $9 off your purchase, plus the $3 in the CRT. So that's $12, and the $8 back in extra bucks. So that is $20. So guess what? That makes this a money maker for you. So guys, that's pretty good. Plus we got the 32% off of the original price because they were not on sale. Then the other thing that I got was the Boost. So with the Boost, it was buy 2, get $5 in extra bucks. They are not on sale, so I did get the 32% off of those, and the boosts are $10.29. And I used the $4 off 2 boost digital coupon out of my CVS app. Then my last item that I got was the Mederma quick dry oil, and that was $14.79. And yes, the 32% came off of that because, again, that is not on sale. But with this was a deal when you buy this, and it was some other items included in this deal, like Ermacare and something else. But when you buy that, you get $5 back in extra bucks. So I got that, and I used the $7 off paper coupon that came out in our save insert from last Sunday. So I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and with the Ibotta rebate, that is worth, one second here. So here is the Ibotta offer. So you get $5 back on that. So between the $5 back in extra bucks and the $5, and the $7 coupon, that's $12, and the 32% off, that ends up being free too. So let me go over my receipt so I can show you guys how everything is broken down. And you'll see all the extra bucks that I got back. So here you see there's my Dove, full price and then half price. There's the 2 Sally Hansen nail polishes. There's my 4 Oral-B toothbrushes. There's the 3 CoverGirls. There are the 2 Boost, the chocolate and the strawberry. And then the Mederma quick dry oil. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys about the last thing. I got a Wet n Wild lipstick, and that was $1.49. And the whole reason I got that is because I had a $2 off select skincare by select skincare cosmetic by Wet n Wild, and there were some other things I could choose from, but I chose to get the Wet n Wild because I wanted something free. Okay, so there you see the Wet n Wild lipstick. Now let me show you my coupons that I used. So that's the $2.50 Dove body coupon, the $3 off for the CoverGirl, the other $2.50 Dove coupon, another $3 CoverGirl coupon, a $7 coupon for the Mederma, the $3 coupon for CoverGirl, then the $6 digital Crest Oral-B coupon, the $4 Boost digital coupon, the $2 Oral-B coupon. So there's the glitch, guys. You see there's the 6 and the 2. And then there's my $5 off 2 Sally Hansen CRT, the $3 off CoverGirl CRT, the $2 off the Wet n Wild CRT. And yes, that reduced down to the price of the product of $1.49 because CVS doesn't give overage. And look how much money that 32% off took off of my total, guys. $16.25. That is amazing. So there you see $45.71 out of pocket. But here we go with my long list of ECBs. So there's $5 back, and that was for spending $15 on Dove, Suave, Smith's deodorant. That was for the Dove. Then there's the $5 for spending, buying 2 of the Boost. $8 for the CoverGirl. $2 for the Sally Hansen. And remember, I told you that was an unadvertised deal. And $10 for the Scope Oral-B because I got that twice. Maxed out that deal. And then $5 for the Mederma. So all together, between the ECBs, I got back $35 in ECBs and $11 on Ibotta. That comes to a total of $46. I paid $45.71. This is a 29-cent moneymaker for all of this, guys. I'd say I did pretty good. Hopefully you guys can go out and do the same deals. Hopefully you have that 32% off CRT. If you have a 40% off, use that. If you have a 30% off, use that. Use any percentage CRTs that you have and match them up with your other CRTs and with your coupons. Guys, let me know what deals you're going to go out and do. Let me know what your favorite deal is from this video. And thank you guys for tuning in. As always, until the next time, keep on saving.